Are you a fortune teller?
Yes. Actually, I am. Handshake?
Yeah, sure.
Firm. This means you're a confident person. Let's see what your body has to say. The way you lean forward means that you're open and curious, but at the same time you're crossing your arms, which tells me that you might be a bit guarded, maybe even skeptical. You do not know what to expect.
Maybe a little skeptical. That's it.
That shrug. That shrug says it all. The body never lies. That little frown just between your brows. You've had some challenges lately.
It's been a bit rough.
I'm not worried though. I know that you'll fix it. I can see you're a resilient person. You always find your way to bounce back. And that line, this one is called the lion's wrinkle, tells me that you're a bit impatient. Also, it says that you expect a lot from yourself and others.
I thought it's just aging.
Look here. Here, around your eyes. Those lines are called crow's feet. And see how they go upwards? That is typical of a person who often smiles. And those ones, see how they angle downwards? That means emotional path. You've been through joy and sadness, and you finally found your emotional balance. You're biting your nails slightly.
Guilty.
That's a sign of inner anxiety.
What?
You want people to see you as a calm person, but sometimes your nerves are on edge.
That's on spot.
Did you know I can predict your fate just by looking at your earlobe? Detached from the jaw, an independent thinker. Not that type who follows the herd.
I've always done things my way.
I thought so. Your hair slightly disheveled. That tells me you're in the middle of something. Perhaps some creative chaos. You have a lot of ideas, but you struggle to finish all of them.
That's right. How did you know?
You're not wearing jewelry. Well, that tells me you don't like attracting unnecessary attention. Simplicity matters to you. You like to stay grounded. You'd rather people praise you for your work than your appearance. Let's talk about your mouth. You've got smile lines. Those subtle lines on your mouth. It's because you've got a sense of humor that people really appreciate. And it's not just about the jokes. It's just how you observe the world and how you make others feel around you. You're slouching a little. That's not about laziness, more like emotional baggage. Your jaw bit tense? Do you clench your teeth when you're stressed?
All the time, even in my sleep.
And these tapping fingers? You give yourself a hard time over something that other people just let go. Perfectionism or high standards? You're your own worst critic, but also a great motivator. Tell me, you work for yourself, don't you?
Yeah, mostly I do.
I thought so. Your gestures are expressive, typical of someone who needs freedom. And you're not cut out to be a 9-to-5 wage slave. You need flexibility and purpose. Ability to say, I've made this. You know what else I see? I see that you're the kind of person who will think of someone and poof, they message you or text you.
Yeah, it works like that.
You're very intuitive, maybe even a little psychic, or just very observant.
What else do you see?
You're about to get an unexpected message from someone who will seek collaboration with you. You constrict your pupils. You're not convinced.
I'm not sure.
Mark my words.
Okay, I'll watch out for this.
You have a potential to be a meticulous thinker and a reckless artist.
But that's like two opposite people.
They live inside you. You're structured chaos. That's your power. Make use of it.
You've given me a lot to think about.
I only read what your body already knows. The frowns, the shrugs, the gestures. They speak volumes, and you, my dear, are a loud book.
Thanks. That was amazing.
The body always whispers the truth.